In this video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect your Grand Prix headlights so you can get to your bulbs or change the housing. Don't forget to check out the clip at the end of the video for more information on the channel. And in case you don't get a chance to, let me know your feelings. Share it on the video. That means liking, disliking, commenting, and subscribing. Let me know what you think, and that also helps the channel grow too. Okay, so what do you need to get this done? Well, first you need to have your replacement headlight bulb, whatever bulb you're replacing, along with a 10mm ratchet or wrench. As you can see here, I have 10, and I'm just going to be using a standard ratchet. That's all you really need to get this job done. First, you may actually look at it and think, okay, what do you actually got to do? What do you got to take off? You got to take off this bolt here, that one there. What do you actually got to do? Truth be told, it's only this one you got to take off. That's it. Don't even worry about this here. That's part of the frame that runs along here. It's just that one you got to do. So you take your 10mm, simple and easy. Okay. And you take that out, and this just lifts right up. Now, with that one notch removed, it's pretty easy now to take this out. But there's a bit of a trick to it. So let me just adjust this slightly. Now, if you just try and pull that right out, it's going to get caught up here and down here. You also want to try and get this out, and you don't want to scratch up your bumper or anything because there's a couple of notches under there. So the trick is that when you're pulling this out, you lift up first, like that, and then you pull it forward toward you. Just kind of wiggle it a bit. You want to clear out here too. Let me show you here. So you're kind of pushing out and in, clearing everything like that. You lift up and you just slide it right out. There's the notches that are at the bottom here. These are what can get caught. I know it's an aftermarket unit, but you'll still see a similar idea when you're using the OEM ones. Same idea that you'll see. So you just pull that right out, and then you can get to your bulbs very easily. This is my old OEM unit. I have it just still kicking around. Yeah, it's a little dirty and everything. I used it for that headlight cleaning series I did a couple years ago, I think now. It's been some time. Anyways, it's still kicking around, so here it is. Just wanted to show you guys just so you have a reference point. First, that thing we pulled up, or it's screwed on there. That's where it notches right over here, just to give you an idea. So here you have your high beam bulb, your low beam bulb, and your side marker bulb. These are all pretty straightforward to remove. It's just a matter of twisting and removing. That's all it is to open these up or anything like that. So it's pretty straightforward. You don't have to take it off. Obviously, this has been off the car and everything like that. But once you get the headlight off, assuming let's say this is the car, you could just reach in, get to all of them very easily, and open them up as you need to, and change your bulb. All right, so now putting it back in is all the same process, just in reverse now. Just to give you a reference point, we'll show you right here. This is the thing that goes up and down. And you can see, oops, I want to pull that all the way out. These are the notches right here. So that's all that goes right on. So it's just a matter now of taking the headlight, making sure these notches are on the open end on the back there, and just pushing it right in. Kind of go top in like this, and kind of just push it inward. Once you get to where the clips are, just look around a little bit. There you go. Sometimes, again, you may have to adjust the little bar there a little bit just to get it in. Once it's nice and in and snug, pull that up there and push that down. Locks the headlight in place. Then it's just a matter of putting in the screw. Because this does tend, if you can see there's a little bit of rust and everything in there, it does tend to build up a little bit of rust. If you want, you can put some anti-seize on there. It helps kind of seal it up and prevent any rust or build-up or anything. It's a good idea to do it. Not necessary. I have not seen yet where this rust is so bad that you couldn't take it out on any Grand Prix. But you never know. Sometimes it's better just to be safe than being sorry later on. So I just thread this in as much as I can by hand. When you tighten these, pretty much go to hand tight plus 1/8 of a turn. Not much at all. Pretty much hand tight, essentially. All right, so there we go. I'm just going to take this, Yeah. Let's put a hand tight there. Give it another little turn, and you're done. Change your bulb, and you're all set, ready to go. Now the YouTube stuff. I always love a great feedback, so make sure right off the bat to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Now, if you like something on the channel, definitely like it. Give it that thumbs up. If you disliked it, thumbs down for sure. But let me know why. That's what the comment section are for. And whatever it is, if you like something, then I know it's working. And if you dislike something, then I know something didn't. But let me know why, so I can continue to build a channel and make it better for me and for you. Aside from that, commenting is great too. So if there's something you can do better, something you can do different, any tips for other viewers, I'm all about that too. So make sure to put that in there. If you have a question about something that's maybe not even related directly to the video, leave that for me as well. Other than that, I want to thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.